Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will be looking at few hacking terminologies which we should be aware of. So, starting off with the vulnerability. In the last tutorial only, we talked about the vulnerabilities, and it is defined as a flaw that exists in a system which the developer of the system is unaware of. After that, we have an exploit. It is the mean by which an attacker or penetration tester take advantage of a vulnerability within a system, an application or a service. An attacker uses an exploit to attack a system in a way that results in a particular desired outcome that the developer never expected. So basically, whenever we are testing a vulnerability, we need to exploit it via a payload. And a payload is a customized code that attacker need the system to execute, and that's to be chosen and delivered by the framework. So all these three works hand in hand. Where there is a vulnerability, we need a payload to exploit it. For example, in SQL injection, we need a certain payload that has to be injected in the URL where it can be exploited. Now, we will talk about phishing. First of all, whenever you are signing into your Facebook account, your Instagram account or Google account or any other account,
always recheck and make sure that your URL is authentic,
which is like google.com or instagram.com or facebook.com, because there are many phishing pages that have exactly same interface and it will look like an authentic website, but in reality it is a fraudulent attempt to extract data as you fill in your details, your credentials and hit enter. And within a spree, all the data will be sent to the hacker and all your details are leaked. It's like you yourself have provided the information or credentials to the hacker. Now what is a zero-day attack? It is simply the use of previously undiscovered flaw in an application or operating system that can be exploited to gain access or to control system resources. Also, the term zero day refers to the fact that it is the day on which the attacker or exploit was first identified. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.